Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in for another video. So as you know by now, we are doing the Ipsy Mystery Glam Bag Roulette. So we bought like 7 of these. We will be unboxing them. We have 5 of them right now. I've already unboxed a few. Now I had a laugh when I got this glam bag because like all of the contents came in separately. Like none of them were placed in the glam bag itself. Now I'm gonna be honest with you. I got this March 2021 mystery glam bag purely for the bag. I don't know if you guys have ever done that. If you've gotten these mystery bags purely because you like the cosmetics pouch. But I really like this one and I like the way it looks. I like the little zipper pull over here. I thought it was going to be like stretchy, but it's not. It's just a cute little zipper pull. And I do think that this is actually really quite nice. And I like, you know, this little message that's in here. It says confidence comes from within. So I just like this. But okay, since everything came outside of the glam bag, there's not much of a surprise here. So let's just start with whatever we've got down below. All right, the first product that came in this mystery Ipsy March 2021 glam bag is by Mayel. This is Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips. Now this is definitely a product that I will use. So we're gonna open it up. Now is this a full size? Because this looks actually pretty large. Let's see how this looks. Oh, do you see that color? That's actually really quite pretty. Okay. This is nice. I could definitely see myself wearing this. Now I'll probably put on like a darker lip pencil underneath, but I do like, you know, mauve shades. This kind of gears a little bit more like pinkish mauve. I can still definitely see myself wearing this. Now it feels nice. I don't think it's going to be the world's most long lasting lip tint, but it's definitely like a balmy lip tint. So I'm happy with this product. I'll definitely use this. Clearly Brilliant. It's by Mayel. And oh, and this is the color Berry, by the way. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you the color. But this is really cute. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know. Okay, this is by Mott. I bought a brush from Ipsy add-ons from Mott, and like I like it, but I didn't love it. Ooh, I might like this one a lot more. This is called Lay Down Looks. I don't know what this is for. I mean, this definitely looks like it's. Is it a concealer brush? You guys tell me. I'm not that good with makeup. You know, like is this a concealer brush? It's definitely a little bit more dense, but it's not that dense to where I would, you know, really just only use it for concealer. But I could see myself, you know, doing some precision powder with this. I don't know, even eyeshadow, like it looks like this could be a big eyeshadow brush. It's denser than the one we got before, which I thought was just like a little too fluffy. And I've tried to use it to like blend out my eyeshadows and it takes a long time to blend out, but it does work. And I will say that Mott does make really pretty looking eyeshadow brushes. I mean, this pink and rose gold, you know, metal over here, I think that it's nice. So as you can see, I don't know if this helps you on camera or not, but it is a little bit denser than some of the other brushes we've gotten. So that's why it makes me think that this is maybe their concealer brush. There are no numbers on it or anything, so I don't know. So the next product that we're pulling out, this is product number 3. This is by Dionis, if I pronounce that correctly. It's the Goat Milk Skincare. It's a natural goat milk hand cream. Okay. And it's in the scent Vanilla Bean. All right, it says for dry hands. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's a cap on it. I'm not going to open it right now, only because like I have some hand creams I'm trying to get through. And sometimes if I get samples of things, like these little samples, and I'm like, oh, I don't want to put it on my face, I'll put it on my hands. Have you guys ever wondered, you know, what, when I used to like just watch YouTube and I wasn't doing it yet, I used to always wonder like, what do folks do with all these products that they're getting, you know, to create more content? Like, what do they do with them? And then I started to kind of get creative myself. I'm like, oh, I'm going to use my face cream for my hand cream, or this is going to become my body cream and my cleansers are going to become body washes, you know, like you just like start to use stuff to use it. But I mean, it all goes for the skin, right? I mean, skin is skin. So I guess it's fine, but I'm happy to get this product. I am very curious about this. I will say that it does smell pretty nice. Like it has a vanilla scent, but it's almost like a spicy vanilla. yeah, like vanilla with chai would be more accurate than vanilla bean, but you know, to each their own. We all kind of smell different things. And I am still very excited to get this, so thank you. All right, so this is by PYT Beauty. Oh, these are some pretty colors. Oh, I like this little this little protector over here. It tells you the color name. Wow, this is actually really cool. So they named all the colors. It's kind of very interesting. You know, the top lighter one is now Coffee Run, and they're telling you it's all over crease plus contour. Then it's later, it's a happy hour lid crease corner. Then they got another one, day trip crease and contour. Then 2:02 a.m. lid outer contour. I mean, okay. I think that's very cute. And it's a day to night cool eyeshadow palette. I actually think that PYT did a really nice job with this. I find that especially with sample products, sample eyeshadows, they never really tell you if it's for cool, neutral skin tones, warm. You know, they don't really normally give you that much information, and PYT is doing a pretty good job by telling you all this. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I probably am not going to keep this just because I have similar shades already, and these are a little bit darker than what I would normally go for. So I'm either going to stick this into a giveaway as kind of like an additional secret product, or I might give it to my sister. We'll see. But I do think that the packaging is pretty nice. I do think that PYT is giving you a lot of good information here. So I do think that that's actually a cute product to get. And the last product here, and obviously, I mean, this is 2 face masks, so they're full size. It's 2 days masks. Okay, very cool. So one is a tea tree pore care mask. Okie dokie. And I guess this is the second day. It's a bamboo water hydrating mask. Okay. I think that this is actually a really, really cool concept of a 2-day mask. So you use this one first, and then you would use this one on the second day. This is more, I guess this is more to detox the skin with tea tree. And then this one you would hydrate. So very cool. I think that that's kind of a neat thing to get. So as a recap, for the March 2021 Mystery Glam Bag, we're getting this really cool glam bag. We're getting the Dionys Goat Milk Hand Cream, very nice. We are getting the PYT Day to Night Cool Eyeshadow Palette, which I think is actually quite beautiful. We are getting the Molly, or Molly. You guys tell me, I mispronounce things all the time. And this is the tinted lip shade in Berry, which is very nice. It's basically a tinted balm. We are getting this brush from Mott, which I'm assuming is a concealer brush, or you know, just to really pat in powder very well, or an eyeshadow, but I think it's concealer. But you guys tell me, I could be wrong. And we're getting this really cool 2 days mask program over here, with a tea tree detox mask and a bamboo water hydrating mask. I think this was not bad. Now, this didn't rock my socks like the February 2021 mystery bag, but I do think that this was pretty nice. I mean, there are definitely products in here that I like and that I'm gonna use. But more important, you guys tell me what you think. Would you have spent $14 on this? Do you like it? Do you not? I'm very curious to get your thoughts, and I'm very curious if I got this makeup brush correct or not, because I have no clue what that's for, you know. But I guess with makeup brushes, you know, you use them for whatever you need them for and whatever works for you. But guys, let me know what you think of this video. I do these videos because I'm trying to get better at public speaking. I'm not the most natural speaker. I am really trying, and I genuinely appreciate your interaction so much. Every like, every comment, every subscribe, it means a lot to me, because it is hard to come out here and do these videos, for me at least. But I am really, really encouraged by you guys and all the positive and kind words that I receive. So I want you to know that I am super grateful for that. And I'm very grateful that you listened to the very end of this. I appreciate your time, and I genuinely hope that you stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.